Okay, you're here because you need a grammar checker for PowerPoint. Microsoft's built-in spelling and proofing features just don't cut it for me, and I'm sure you find them severely lacking too. If you write a lot of emails, create PowerPoint presentations, social media posts, or documentation, you need an excellent program to proofread your writing. Grammarly for Desktop, also known as Grammarly for Windows and Grammarly for Mac, has got you covered. It works in any application's text areas, in PowerPoint, Outlook, Word, OneNote, Excel, your browser, Apple apps, and more. If there's a text area in the app or website, Grammarly is there helping you with wording, spelling, tonality, and phrasing. How do you get grammar checking in PowerPoint? Well, go to hourtolearn.com/getgrammarly, link in the description below. Click on the Get Grammarly It's Free button to download the installer, and then click on the installation file and follow the instructions. In Grammarly, click on the Sign Up for Free button. Enter your email, password, and name, and click on the Agree and Sign Up button. You may choose to sign up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts, but those companies know enough about me, so I like a separate ID and password. Here we have a PowerPoint slide showing Microsoft found only 2 typos. Wonderful. There are more issues here than just the 2 typos, so let's click in the text area of PowerPoint, and we'll see the Grammarly icon appear to the right of the text field. We click each text area and Grammarly will review it, and its icon will show the number of issues it found in the text. Grammarly will step you through each issue it finds, and you can accept or reject their suggestions. In this example, Grammarly found a grammar mistake, clarity issue, and with a one-click sentence replacement, 2 punctuation issues, and a spelling mistake. After you accept or dismiss the issues, click again on the Grammarly icon to get the text tonality. Is it friendly, optimistic, confident? The Grammarly icon is either a green G, a yellow icon for tonality, or shows the count of issues in each text field. Grammarly has 3 plans: free, premium, or business. The free plan is suitable for spelling, grammar, and punctuation, and is good enough for some people to prevent the obvious embarrassing mistakes. If you want a complete solution that improves your writing, helps you write more succinctly, prevents redundant words or phrases, and gives you advice regarding tonality, I highly recommend getting the premium version. The business plan includes the free and premium features, plus it adds style guides, snippets, which are shared reusable content, branding, account roles, single sign-on integration, and more. Install Grammarly for Desktop and you now have a grammar checker for all of your applications. So don't make bad writing mistakes. Get Grammarly at the link in the description below. Hit me up on hourtolearn.com. Click the chat button if you have questions. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell if you found this to be helpful.